Hello everyone, welcome to the Heroes Initiative powered by IPCA. These heroes are instrumental in improving quality of life of the patients. Today we have one such hero who has improved life of tens and thousands of such patients. Doctor, we welcome you to the Heroes Initiative by IPCA. So doctor, let's start with the dry eye, our family problem. My first question for you, what are the common symptoms of dry eye and how can I tell if my family members might be suffering from it, doctor?
The problem we were discussing that how we can identify dry eye in our families at home only, right? This was your question. So at home, if the people are start complaining that they have a watering problem, like if there is a continuous watering in their eyes, either with a discharge or without discharge, that means they are suffering from the mild or a moderate dry eye. Another problem what people are facing because of the dry eye, that they complain of a burning sensation. The people will say कि आँखों में जलन हो रही है. This is the common term what people are complaining कि आँखों में जलन होती है. So another is a burning sensation. Some of the people who have a severe dry eye, they complain of a redness in the eyes. Like after working on a system or on a screen for 6 to 8 hours, they have developed redness in the eye, in the corner of the eyes. So these are the main three symptoms: watering, burning and the redness. These are the main symptoms. If your family members or your friends are facing, that must be they are suffering from either from the mild or the moderate dry eye.
Are there any lifestyle changes or home remedies that can help manage dry eye symptoms for my family?
Basically, we are following the rule of 20-20-20. Like the first 20 signifies that we have to take a break from the screen, be it a mobile screen or the computer screen. We have to take a break after 20 minutes. We have to look at the distance. What we say, ki look at the far, at a 20 meter. But for the home or for the office purpose, you just look at a far, and you have to take this break at least minimum for the 20 seconds. So we follow the rule of 20-20-20. So basically, in a common words, we ask the patient to take a break from their screen after 20 to 30 minutes. This will give the relaxation to the eyes. Another thing, we can do the hot compression. We can, what our Ramdev ji has been told, rub your palm and make it warm and keep on your eyes. So the warm compression also help in the production of a new tears. So warm compression and a take break from the screen after 20 minutes will definitely help you, and you can prevent the dry eye. Basically, you have to go from the mild to severe, so we can prevent it from taking all these precautions.
Can dry eyes lead to more serious eye conditions if it is left untreated? And what kind of preventive measures should we take, doctor?
Definitely, it can lead to the severe complication, because if there is a dry eye for the longer term, the patient can develop the corneal opacity. The outer part of our eye is a transparent, but because of the dry eye, they start developing opacities, like they will start developing the white patches on the cornea. So that definitely lead to the vision loss. So that is a major complication what we are seeing in the dry eye. And people will feel uncomfortable or the irritated all the time because of the dryness. So definitely they should have to get it treated by the doctor or by the home remedies for the dry eye.
So doctor, your expertise and insights on dry eye, our family problem, are really invaluable to this initiative, and we believe your participation will greatly benefit the patients.